Wanna make this? First, we will add a background on which we'll place a box using the PIP. We'll position the box correctly and insert a white image through PIP. Then, from the mask options, we'll select the third one. Next, we'll resize the white image by reducing its length and width. After that, we'll drag the Y-axis option to create a lighting effect in the middle of the white image. Then, we'll bend the lighting effect along the Y-axis to adjust its position, and finally, animate it with keyframes by tilting it along the Y-axis. This will create the effect of the light starting and ending smoothly. Once that's done, we'll export the video. Next, we'll go back to the PIP option, delete the white image, and import the exported video, stretching it to full screen. After adding it, we'll again select the same mask option from before and carefully adjust its position and shape so that no extra outer light effect appears.